In this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch NEC screen from 4 CCFL to our UB54 LED kits. This kit comes with 2 LED strips, 1 LED driver, and 1 wire adapters. So then you can directly plug in your existing inverter wire harness to here. So it's quite easy. Let's take a look at the screen. The screen is called NEC. Okay, the screen part number is NL10276BC30-18C. Okay, NL10276BC30-18C. Okay, this one have a 2 on top, 2 on bottoms, CCFL. So let's take it out. To upgrade to LED is quite simple. You see both ends have a tiny screw here. I see it. So first, you remove the screw. Oops. Here. Okay. And just okay. Then you kind of, take the wire out slowly, 1 wire at a time. Here. Okay. So let me use a tweeter. So that one. The wire was actually holding by this plastic clip. Now, so when you take it out, this one the same thing too. And basically, you just slowly push it out. See this? Okay. So you see these 2 lamps. Okay, perfect. Okay, so next thing we need to remove these wires. Usually I'll use a blade, make it easier. Just slice over the double side, the tape that holds the wire. That's easier. You can do both ends, both sides. Okay, then loosen up this skinny wires. Okay. This side. Okay, take it out. So this is the wire side comes out. Take a look at here. All right. So that way we had to put something on the bottoms. So peel it off. Okay. Let me see here. We're gonna put it like this. So we gotta put it on this side. Okay, I put a little bit double side tape. The reason we do this, just make it like fit. Make sure this LED strip stay flat on the bottom. So that way you can, the brightness is much more efficiency. So I'm going to put it like this. Let me see again. So I have to put it this way. On this side, okay, on this side. The other one, okay. Yep. So let me finish it. I can show you later on. Oops. You push it down because we put the double side tape, it will stay flat. You see this? See this? So it stays flat. Okay, perfect. So basically after you finish, you just slice right back. The wire goes to this side. And if you want to, you can add a tip to secure it. And then we're gonna put the screw back on this side. So this side is done. So do the same procedure, repeat the same procedure, and finish this one, this end. That will be it. So after you finish, you connect to a inverter either side. You see, the dip switch already set when you purchase the kit. you connect this end, and then you just connect your existing inverter wire harness to this end. Okay, thank you for watching.